headline acts alongside food, culture, and merchandise. Quite simply, a true blue youth carnival that cannot be missed. So what we're going to do right now is, we've got 8 of our headliners, including, of course, Badshah, Armaan Malik, Amit Trive, Slow Cheetah, Nikita Gandhi, Bali, EPR, Neeti Mohan, Jasleen Royal, DJ Suketu, and Dino James, to name a few. And I'm excited to share that 8 of these phenomenal musicians are in our presence today. But before we welcome them on stage, we have a special teaser for you. Let's hear what the sound of Generation Large is like with an exclusive track that has been created for Royal Stag Boombox. It has the and join me in welcoming music director, producer, lyricist, singer, composer, who's had the youth of India hooked to songs like Kafirana, Lakire, Shock, and the album from the film Kala, among others, Amit Trive. We also have with us a singer whose voice strikes a chord with the youth in more ways than one. He's lent his voice to some beautiful tracks, such as Sun Mahi, You, De Tali, Pehla Pyar, among others. Please welcome on stage Armaan Malik. Next up, we have the nation's heartthrob, the voice that brings alive every party in the country. His music needs no introduction. Please give it up for Badshah. Okay, we will now like to invite on stage Santanam Srinivasan Iyer, better known as EPR, who brought reggae and Hindi rap together. Let's welcome on stage EPR. Okay, please join me in welcoming Indian rapper, singer, lyricist, and composer Dino James, who is inspired by his experiences and brings a realistic approach to rap music. Dino James, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, while we wait for Dino, famous for his lyrical abilities, we also have amongst us rapper, songwriter, composer Bali, who ushers in a new era for Desi hip-hop with a sarcastic and comedic approach. Let's welcome Bali on stage. We also have rapper and actor Chaitanya Sharma, aka Slow Cheetah, with us, who is known for his roles in films like Gully Boy, Brahmastra, and will be featuring in the upcoming film Maidan. A huge round of applause for Slow Cheetah. And here's Dino. Yes, absolutely. We've announced it. Dino, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, do you want to get a quick picture together and then we go into? Yeah? One quick picture and then we move on? A quick picture. Here? Please put your hands together for the famous Indian playback singer who is known for her music in many different languages and never fails to capture the hearts of her audiences, Nikita Gandhi. Oh no, now one set with you in the middle. Yeah. Could we move a little bit to the Yeah. आगे बढ़े? हाँ? Set? Okay. Could I please ask you to settle down and make yourselves comfortable? It's fair to say that no party in the country is complete without any of their music. Together, their sound truly reflects the choice of the youth of India, the sound of generation large. Let's see what they have to say about Royal Stag Boombox. Amit, I'll start with you. So, how do you think music is a passion pillar for the youth? And are you excited to be part of Royal Stag Boombox that directly addresses the youth and, piques their interests?
Oh yeah, definitely. This is the first time ever we see such amazing lineup and artists on stage, and it's of course the Boombox, Royal Stag Boombox it's a very fresh and new initiative to meet two different worlds. I don't like the term Bollywood, so I will never use that. Hindi film music, contemporary Hindi film music meets hip hop, and when these two worlds collide, and what comes out of it is something that's really, we are also excited to know how people think about it. Of course, हमको तो मजा आया करने में, I'm sure हम सबको, but then how it's going to be received, that's really something that I am excited about, we are all excited about, and looking forward to this amazing new world that we've entered into.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Badshah, according to you, what does the young generation like about contemporary genres such as hip-hop?
I think just the audacity of the genre. I think the freedom of breaking walls as such. I think that is what excites youth in general, whatever the area is. It might be music, it might be fashion, anything that is anti-establishment probably is something that excites the youth. And hip-hop has always been considered as a genre that supports the rebel. So maybe that.
That's a wonderful answer. Yeah. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, आपने खाना खाया ना? जोर से ताली boss. Thank you. Okay, नहीं खाया. Armaan, question for you.
Yes.
What do you have to say, ladies and gentlemen? What do you have to say about the new genre of music that Royal Stag Boombox is all set to bring to audiences across the country? And how do you feel about your association with Boombox?
Firstly, I'm very excited to be here on the stage with such amazing artists. I feel like what we guys are set out to do and what Royal Stag Boombox is set out to do is bring two very different genres and put them together, amalgamate it, and do it in a unique way so that it speaks to the youth and to the young generation. And I think if it's, I believe it's, coolly done. So I think we are in the right direction, and I hope that the youth really relates to all the songs that come out of this IP. We're very excited to be here, and I'm very excited to perform, the concert in Jalandhar. So yeah, I'm really, really happy to be here.
Great, thank you so much. We're really looking forward to the Jalandhar show.
Thank you.
Okay, Nikita, over to you. You made a grand entrance. We thought we'd get the boys together, get photographs, and then call you in to be the queen of, the crowd. Wonderful. So, Nikita, what are you most looking forward to at Royal Stag Boombox?
The shoot is done, the video is done, and it came out. It was so incredible and so much fun to be part of a semi-hip hop music video.
Thank you.
And that was not.
Thank you.
And actually, I just realized while sitting here that apart from you, Slojit, I think I've collaborated with everybody, and that's what I love about, I think, collaborations.
That's why she's in the center.
Oh, okay. No, but I'm very grateful for the journey, because as a playback singer, I think you get to see a small part of the artist. But when you get to be an overall musician, there's so much more you get to show your audience, and I'm getting the opportunity to do that on this platform, so I'm so grateful.
Wonderful. Thank you. Okay. And I'm going to ask EPR. Do you feel the same way? Are you excited to be part of this entire concept and Royal Stag Boombox? And what do you aim to bring out? What is the personal expression you want to bring out in this?
I mean, really, really excited. Obviously, because when musicians meet, they end up learning as well. And the whole thing, the whole property, it's really one of a kind, avant-garde, and very unique. So I got to learn a lot from Niti Mohan. And when these songs come out, I'm gonna get a lot of learning experience from them as well. And plus, when you go out with those songs, not only on the internet and also on the live gigs, it's gonna be crazy. I mean, like, that's the best part. I'm looking for the live gigs especially.
Wonderful.
So, yes.
And I think as artists, everyone feeds off the energy of the audience, right? And
Absolutely.
Yeah, so it's going to be super exciting. The number of people there and the number of people here waiting to hear from you all. I'm going to ask Bali if you feel, what do you feel? I got it right this time. I'm sorry.
I was offended.
Yeah.
Not right.
You know, I always say, ask a South Indian who's grown up in Bengal to talk in Hindi and say names. It's wrong, it's not allowed. So Bali, tell us, how do you feel about the live music experience, and what do you, and about recording in the studio and being a pioneer in bringing two such massive and electric genres together? How does it feel?
It was quite exciting because I had to put my sarcastic comedic approach from hip hop aside. I had to create something
I think
which
you were
would.
pretty sarcastic in this
Sorry?
song.
Yeah, we ended up creating 3-4 tracks, I think, and we'll release an EP, I think. So it was a very nice experience. I got to learn many things, and so that's it. I'm creating this music so that everybody can enjoy as well as dance to my music. So yeah.
Yeah, so you're actually addressing the youth by giving them music and beat and rhythm, and tell us more.
So the hook line of my track, so I'm the only one I think promoting my track. So the hook line of my track will get to the youth very easily. Like, should I say the line or not?
Maybe wait for it.
Okay, I'll wait for that.
Let
So it
the
will
line
connect with
is-
the youth, and the music is there for everybody to dance to. So I think everybody will love it.
Awesome, thank you. I'm going to ask Dino, what are your thoughts on this new journey? And yeah, I need to. Yeah. So what is it that you are seeking to do with your music in the future, and how does Royal Stag Boombox contribute to that entire process?
Yes, actually the first time that I'm collaborating with someone from the scratch. So I regret this, that I haven't actually collaborated with too many artists, which I'm started doing now. So it's actually the sense of uncertainty that you actually sit with somebody that you don't know well, and then the entire journey starts. That you don't start liking the songs first, and then everything happens slowly and gradually. So it's actually a very beautiful process, number one, to begin with. And second, that you're not in your territory all the time. So that pleasant uncomfortableness, I enjoyed that. So, to get more color, to know a person better, to add a different kind of color in your music, I think it's a beautiful, beautiful journey. So I regret, like I said, that I should have done it before, but it's never too late.
Awesome, great. Let's give a huge round of applause for that. And I have my last question for Slochita. Okay, I know I've been asking everyone about their association with Royal Stag Boombox and what music means to them and what's the future of music. What are you going to do after this? What's after this? What's next? What's musically next for you beyond Boombox? I had to ask it, guys.
I think.
Yeah. You can come here and speak.
Hello.
So I think, what's next is something I avoid thinking, because currently I have the opportunity to sit on stage with some really, really fine artists. This is a dream to be here in the presence of such great company, and to be able to record a song with Amit Trive is not something you get to do every day. So I guess once that's out, I'll see what's next, depending on how that experience goes. Because right now, I just want to enjoy what's happening here.
What's happening? Go with the vibe of it.
It's a special chance to collaborate with such an incredible artist, and I got to do it, like they said, from scratch. And I think we've created something pretty special. So I'm looking forward.
Let the audience decide.
Amit was singing when we were doing the press bites earlier.
I was singing?
Yeah, you were singing.
This song?
No, something.
Oh, that's something else.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to now proceed on with, getting our media bites in and having you all interact with the artists in a closer manner. Thank you so much for being with us today and sharing how you feel about the music that speaks to the youth of today. Royal Stag Boombox aims to create a new sound by bringing together two diverse music genres and will also create an experience across 5 youth hubs in India, as I said before, as it travels through the cities of Pune, Indore, Manipal, Bhubaneswar, and Jalandhar, where close to 50,000 people are going to have the time of their lives. Catch Royal Stag Boombox soon on a video streaming platform and a city near you and witness the sound of Generation Large. For now, those of you who are not staying back for the photographs and the video bites can head out and get a drink at the bar and get some food while the rest of us stay here and continue with the proceedings. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Are we ready? We'll do quick photo ops. Sorry, we have to fast. I'm really sorry. We'll do quick photo ops, quick video bites, Jalta bites. I'll ask 5 questions. Huh? So अभी हम क्या करने वाले कि हम फोटोग्राफ्स लेंगे, उसके बाद ग्रुप बाइट्स लेंगे और जो फोटोग्राफ्स और ग्रुप बाइट्स नहीं ले रहे वो बाहर जाके रॉयल स्टैग कॉकटेल्स का आनंद लें, खाना खाए और हम सब के लिए रुके वहाँ पे क्योंकि हम सब अभी बाहर आने वाले। तो फटाफट एक राउंड फोटोग्राफ्स का प्लीज। Could I have the PR team here please? Okay, please look to the left. Everyone to the left. Center. Right.
Oh my God. I'm looking forward to the songs releasing. सुनाई दे रहा है? Yes. कौन से वाले भाई? I am looking forward to the songs releasing, and that's about no. I'm just kidding. I think सुनाई दे रहा है? सुनाई दे?
बरोबर है ऑडियो उनको
हो गया ठीक है बहुत हो गया thank you.
Armaan, could you come forward and tell us about this beautiful sound that we're creating and the two genres coming together?
I'm excited to be part of Royal Stag Boombox. It's a great IP, and there are 2 parts to this IP. One is obviously the studio sessions and the studio songs that a lot of artists here on this stage are collaborating and making. And I'm part of the live performance, on-ground performance part of this IP. And मैं perform करने वाला हूँ जलंधर में. I'm excited to bring my pop set there and perform for all the people there in Jalandhar, and excited to be on the stage with all these amazing artists and part of this amazing initiative. जी I think अगर आप ऐसे सोचोगे कि यार हम जैसे अमित सर ने कहा बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक नहीं बट लाइक कंटेम्प्रेरी इंडियन म्यूजिक को हिप हॉप के साथ आप जोड़ रहे हो तो ब्रेन में ऐसे लगेगा कि यार ये कभी एक साथ आएंगे क्या अच्छा लगेगा क्या बट आई फील लाइक all the people on stage here have that artistic acumen to make these two genres come together and still sound amazing, and it's just about कि यार उस amalgamation को किस तरीके से present किया जाए, which is why we have this IP, Royal Stag Boombox, which is I feel going to be doing something which is I hope it's very very iconic. Once it comes out, I think everyone will love all the stuff that's going on. हाँ
ठीक है आपका एक राउंड ले लीजिए फिर मैं पूछूं हम लोग पूछेंगे
yeah, can you come forward? What are you looking forward to the most in the Royal Stag Boombox property?
First of all, ये जो मेरे लिए बहुत ही अनोखा और यूनिक कोलैबोरेशन है. The kind of job that I do and I've been doing since 15 years, I'm lucky that I get to collaborate with a lot of people. I have done like tons of people I've gotten to collaborate with. And यहाँ पर ही मैंने I think this gentleman I have collaborated with everybody. Him I'm going to be doing soon, like in a day or 2. And yes, तो ये भी बहुत जल्दी होगा. So I get this beautiful opportunity to work with beautiful artists that we have in our country, some really famous ones. So ये एक अनोखा था because I am a singer composer, sorry composer singer, first composer, and then I had the chance to work with rapper and an actor. Now Ranveer Singh is an actor then rapper. Slow Cheetah is an actor first and a rapper. So when I was told that I am collaborating with these two gentlemen who are actors and rappers, and I had to create a song, तो सबसे पहले तो I was really nervous. In crude language, फट ली थी because I don't know what to do because it's a very unique and new type of a thing. So I made varied options, and we came up with this one thing I think which defines Royal Stag Boombox, that this format that they are trying to create, which is Hindi film music, contemporary Hindi film music meets hip hop. This is like hip hop is rap and poetry, and Hindi film music is all melody. So melody, rap, poetry all coming together and trying to create something new. I hope that it resonates with the audience the way it's excited us while creating it. And yeah, it's absolute pleasure working with Slow Cheetah and Ranveer. Their energies are amazing. And yeah, so it was beautiful. How? Sorry?
How do you decide?
तो डिफिकल्ट तो था तो बिकॉज ये एक नई चीज़ है तो मैंने कुछ 5-6 ऑप्शंस बनाए थे ऑनेस्टली और वो बना के बिकॉज इवन आई डोंट नो वेयर आई विल टेक दिस, किस दिशा में क्या सही रहेगा क्या नहीं रहेगा. तो उनमें से जो हम लोग को सही लगा, एक जो जिस पे हमने काम किया, हम सबको लगा, रणवीर पाजी को, स्लो चीता को, वायाकॉम को, रॉयल स्टैग को, जितने भी लोग हम इसका हिस्सा है, उन सबको ये डायरेक्शन सही लगा जहाँ पे वो करेक्ट मैरिज लग रहा था हिंदी इंडियन म्यूज़िक और हिप हॉप का और एक पागलपन का, सबका एक मिश्रण सही लग रहा था. तो उस हिसाब से हम लोगों ने वो उसको सिलेक्ट किया. डिफ़िकल्ट तो है, इजी नहीं है, इजी तो कुछ भी नहीं है इस धरती पे. या थैंक यू.
Badshah, your take on Royal Stag Boombox, how do you feel about this collaboration?
Excited हूँ of course because परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिल रहा है और उन सिटीज़ में जाने का मौका मिल रहा है जहाँ पे काफ़ी टाइम से नहीं गए हैं. और मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा. मज़ा आता है मतलब जब लाइव ऑडियंस के सामने परफॉर्म करते हैं. तो नहीं तो गाना रिलीज़ करो फिर वेट करो उसके व्यूज़ उसके स्ट्रीम्स. तो जब आप परफॉर्म करते हो आपको इंस्टेंटली पता चल जाता है कि अरे वाह अच्छा लग रहा है या मज़ा आ रहा है. तो इसलिए बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. लाइव शोज़ के लिए मैं हमेशा एक्साइटेड रहता हूँ.
बादशाह, आपके जो फेवरेट रहे हुए हैं तीनों, पीआर और किंग, जो आपके साथ काफ़ी टाइम से जुड़े हुए हैं, किंग नहीं है इसका पार्ट, तो इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
किंग को भी होना चाहिए था. मतलब मुझे तो सारे ही अच्छे लगते हैं. किंग ऑफ कोर्स आई लव किंग, इज़ लाइक अ ब्रदर. बट वो तो ये रॉयल स्टैग वाले बताएंगे. बहुत आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्रॉपर्टी रॉयल स्टैग बूम बॉक्स. क्योंकि आप वेरिएशन देख रहे हो आर्टिस्ट की. मतलब नॉर्मली इतना दम होता नहीं है ब्रांड्स में टू ब्रिंग सच अ वेरिड such varied genres of artists on one stage. तो मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और बहुत खुश हूँ. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि सीज़न दर सीज़न इसके आते रहें और ऐसे ही यही आर्टिस्ट हमारे अलावा भी जो भी नए आर्टिस्ट हैं उनको भी मौका मिले इस स्टेज पर आने का और अपनी कला दिखाने का.
रैप कल्चर को किस तरह ग्रो होगा ये एक से हम बादशाह जी, मेरा सवाल था कि रैप कल्चर में कितना जो नए टैलेंट आ रहे हैं. अभी रैप कल्चर की मैं बात करूँ लास्ट एक डेकेड से जिस तरह रैप कल्चर ने गया और हाल ही में MC स्टैंड का जो नाम बढ़ रहा है, कितना हेल्प होगा रैप कल्चर को, द न्यू कमिंग यंगस्टर्स फॉर द रैप कल्चर?
अभी तो और कल्चर्स को हेल्प चाहिए, रैप कल्चर को कोई हेल्प नहीं चाहिए. बट आई थिंक रैप इज़ हियर टू स्टे. शुरू में लोगों को लगा था कि एक फैड है चला जाएगा, बट आपके सामने ही है. क्योंकि हम जो रैपर्स होते हैं ना बड़े ढीठ होते हैं. बचपन से ही हसलर होते हैं तो अपनी जगह बनाने की आदत हमें होती है. और MC स्टैंड तो एक एग्जाम्पल है, जीता जाता एग्जाम्पल है. एंड आई थिंक एवरीबडी फ्रॉम द कम्युनिटी इज़ रियली प्राउड ऑफ हिम. जो कम्युनिटी से बाहर हैं वो भी प्राउड हैं बिकॉज इवेंचुअली इट्स एवरीबडी वांट्स टू सी समवन विन who's come from the bottom. And I think MC Stand is one of the most perfect representations.
Do you think India is blessed to have MC Stand? Do you think India is blessed to have
Yes,
someone like
yes,
MC Stan?
yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, can we have slower Dino, APR and Bali in front? Okay. So the question for you guys is, hip-hop as a genre didn't exist too much some time back, and it's coming to the forefront. Royal Stag Boombox is celebrating it. How do you feel about it? Can we go one by one?
Yeah, I feel very good actually. बहुत अच्छा है कि genre इतना बढ़ गया है कि वो छुपाया छुपता नहीं है. So hats off to Royal Stag and all the people who are involved in this to give more power to hip hop. So I feel very happy and blessed. Yeah, we all of us. I think I am very happy to get associated with something like this.
We know when we read about hip hop comes from different genres, be it blues, be it ragtime, be it R&B, everything. So hip hop का एक important element है collaboration, and we're getting to do that as musicians from the community, and it's a great thing. I mean, I can't wait to take the music to the live gigs and perform it. That's it.
या मतलब काफ़ी exciting times वगैरह सब कुछ हम बहुत
एक बार
ही और करूँ ये रुक जाऊँ अच्छा मैं वेट करूँ लेकिन अब जहाँ जहाँ नहीं गया था हिप हॉप आई थिंक वहाँ भी चला जाएगा एंड एवरीबडी जहाँ बच के रह गया जो लोगों को हिप हॉप और रैप के बारे में नहीं पता दिल ऑल्सो गेट टू लिसन टू दिस बिकॉज ऑफ रॉयल स्टैग ओनली सो आई थिंक क्वाइट एन एक्साइटिंग टाइम फॉर हिप हॉप एंड रैप एज अ होल
No, I feel like hip-hop is the mood right now of everyone in their heads. It's the best form of expression. I think everyone wants to express in this way. I think every genre of music has a time and then it keeps changing. I think right now it's very relevant because सबको hip-hop के ज़रिए से express करने का एक मौका मिल रहा है, एक अलग तरीके से बोलने का मौका मिल रहा है and I feel like a big shout out to Royal Stag Boombox for giving us this stage and spreading it even further and let's fly.
डीनो या EPR दोनों कैसे बोलेंगे एक
कोलैब
हाँ किसके लिए अपडेट तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है भाई अभी अपडेट ये हाँ हाँ तो बढ़ा दूँ ना हाँ तो मैं तो हूँ मेन जज ही हूँ मेन जज भी हूँ और सब कुछ मैं ही कर रहा हूँ एग्जैक्टली बाकी मेरे ऊपर ही डिपेंडेंट
क्या MC स्टैंड को देख पाएंगे एज ए जजिंग पैनल
भाई मैं कैसे बताऊँ
वो वाईकॉम बताएगा ना अब बिग बॉस हो गया ठीक है ना वहाँ से
Thank you so much. Thank you.
बैक ही बोल सकते बैक ही बोला
क्या चाहिए